Imagine a galaxy where an invisible waterfall of fire crashes down at mind-blowing speeds. In the Able 2597 cluster, astronomers have discovered a supermassive black hole acting like a cosmic pump, spewing hot gas into space and pulling it back in a continuous loop. This galactic waterfall stretches over 100,000 light-years. Using the Atacama Large Millimeter Array, scientists observed cold molecular gas raining down at a staggering 1 million miles per hour. It's a breathtaking glimpse into how black holes recycle energy and matter, keeping galaxies alive in an endless cycle of creation and destruction.